been waiting so long for this, Buzzy.
Ooh, me too. And with the boss at the Cybervillain convention, this is our one chance to have fun.
It looks like fun, right, George?
Oh, I can't wait to see the underwater world.
It's Johnny the Dancing Whale.
He's the biggest, fastest, cutest sea creature in all of cyberspace.
Welcome to the Coralina Underwater Cruise Line. I'm Captain Crustacea. All passengers in Group 1 are now welcome to board. That's Group 1.
Group 1, that's us, Dee Dee.
Yahoo!
Tickets, please! Ha! Tickets! Tickets! Ha!
Here you go, Captain. Ready to board.
Hold it. We need to weigh your suitcase to figure out how heavy it is. No bags heavier than 10 cyber pounds are allowed on board.
No problem. It's lighter than 10 pounds, right, Dee Dee?
Oh, yeah!
Seeing is believing. Place your suitcase on the scale, please.
It is kinda heavy.
Ow, 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 ow.
Sorry, Buzzy.
Wow, you're really strong.
No, they don't call me Thunderclaws for nothing. Let's see how much this thing weighs. 25 cyber pounds? Way too heavy. You need to lose at least 15 cyber pounds. Unless you can get the weight down to 10 or less. I'm afraid it's no cruise for you.
Uh-oh.
Anything you don't take, just leave in the basket for when you return. But the sub leaves soon, so better hurry. Hurry!
Wait, how do we know how much the suitcase weighs without a scale?
Estimation.
Estimation?
It's like a thinking guess. Lighten your load and guess what it weighs. Sorry, I've only got one scale. Huh.
Come on, let's start taking stuff out until the suitcase only weighs 10 cyber pounds.
Got it. But how do we know what 10 cyber pounds is?
I know. George weighs about 10 cyber pounds. Right, George?
So let's take stuff out of the suitcase until it weighs the same as George. Hey!
I'll estimate. Nope, the suitcase is still heavier than George. Buzzy? Oh, there you are. Howdy.
This isn't fair, Dee Dee. You took all my stuff out and kept yours in. Like this umbrella, it never rains in Coralina.
Oh, you never know.
And these things?
Oh, that's my paddleball paddle and paddleball trophy. George and I got 27th place in the cyberspace paddleball tournament.
They look about the same size, but this trophy is a lot heavier than the cowboy hat. Trophies gotta go.
You say so. Whoa, it's much lighter now. But still heavier than George.
The underwater cruise line leaves in 5 minutes. That's 5 minutes.
Don't know. We're gonna miss out on the cruise.
Come on, there's still time. Take out more.
Win, team, win. No time to lose. If our suitcase isn't lighter, no underwater cruise.
Woo-hoo! Gotta take out more so it has less weight. Let's guess how much it weighs.
Let's estimate!
I estimate this is... Oh no! Still We gotta take out more stuff!
Whew. Estimating is hard work.
2 minutes. The cruise leaves in 2 minutes.
Wow! Jordy is so amazing!
We're gonna make it, Dee Dee. I estimate the suitcase should be less than 10 cyber pounds by now.
Let's find out, shall we?
Ugh.
$11 cyber pounds. Still too heavy.
But Captain, we're so close.
10 cyber pounds is the rule. Sorry, no can go.
Wait, we'll take out more.
You can do it, Buzzy!
1 minute.
Come on, hurry!
Step it up!
If it's too heavy this time, we'll miss the underwater cruise!
Oh, 10 cyber pounds. Right on the nose. All aboard the underwater cruise.
Jordy!
Best vacation ever!